Welcome to Cooking at Riegelmann's. This week we are in the KitchenAid kitchen. I'm joined by Lauren from Milo's Cafe, and today we are going to show you how to make some cheese blintz.
So we're going to start by making, it's a thin pancake batter.
Okay.
A couple of eggs.
A little bit of milk.
A couple of cups of milk. Let's add a couple tablespoons of melted butter. So now we'll add a couple tablespoons of sugar and the flour, a couple of cups of flour. Now let's add some vanilla and a pinch of salt and give it a spin. Next step is to make the crepes. Okay, a little bit of butter.
And we're just going to cover the bottom barely, right? And we're cooking on the KitchenAid stovetop about medium.
And you're looking for the inside to look like it's cooked. And as soon as you get to that point, flip it over, do the other side, get rid of all that wetness.
Okay, we're going to make the filling.
So I got a little bit of cream cheese and lots of that. I like whole milk ricotta. And then we're going to put a little bit of sugar, a little bit of vanilla because it's delicious, and then crack an egg in there, and then to bind it, matzo meal. And then we'll take that and just mix it up. Looks good.
Okay.
Okay, so now we take one of those delicious crepes that we made, and we're going to put a spoonful of that ricotta cheese batter and fold it over and fold it over. Make a little pillow.
I love it.
Okay, so now we'll take those filled crepes. We'll just heat those up in the pan. Okay, we got those all nice and brown, and the cheese is soft and warm. So we'll put a couple of those on a plate. Some fresh berries, whichever ones you like. Yeah, and then a little powdered sugar on top might be fun.
Somebody outside is getting a treat today.
Yeah, there they go.
Would you like to try a cheese blintz we just made?
Sure.
Let us know what you think.
All right. Oh, it's good.
You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmanns.com. Thank you for joining us. Lauren and I are in the KitchenAid kitchen at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham, and we'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.